Hi there, this is Paul Hardingham from paulhardingham.com giving an update on Siacoin. Traditionally, I was a fan of Siacoin, but as with all the cryptocurrencies, any form of trading, I always believe you should have a very firm stop loss in place. And so I was out of Siacoin quite a while back. And we're just seeing today, I mean, it's hitting the news today, 1st of September here in the UK. It's about coming up for 7 p.m. UK time. And Siacoin is up 24% in the last 24 hours. If we look at the chart, it has gone through a couple of previous highs, so this could be a breakout now. Certainly a lot of buzz on the Twitter sphere and on the internet for the cryptos at the moment. In particular, we have Dogecoin going really crazy. If we just go back to the chart here, 61% in the last 24 hours. And if you look at this chart, it looks absolutely extraordinary. This huge jump, the 65% there. And if we look at the last 7 days, it's basically been in the last 48 hours or so. So 24 hours ago there, 24 hours before then. So there was this breakout. It's been a popular one, this one, for a lot of people. Although I believe Dogecoin was originally set up to show how simple it was to create a cryptocurrency that has no real value. But it turns out it's currently 20th in the chart of most valuable cryptocurrencies out there. But we can see here back, price US dollars was 0.026 just a few days ago, two and a half days ago, now at 0.006. So a more than doubling in the value. So there'll be a lot of people happy with that. We can see the volume has increased substantially as well, and that may be creating quite a bit of excitement. Now, Dogecoin, a lot of people seem to also be linking Dogecoin with Siacoin. I'll leave you to do your own research on that, but we're up 24% now on Siacoin. But is this going to continue? We look at the chart here, the bigger chart for Siacoin, and we've come back a long way. People are trying to pick the bottom. I was saying back in January, you know, as we were coming back out, take your stop loss, get out, and then we came up another entry back here around about April. And again, if you played your stop loss, you could have seen a reasonable trade on that and made a decent income. What are we going to see this time with Siacoin? Well, let me bring up my other charts here. I just want to show you the Bitcoin chart. First of all, we could be seeing here, let me draw some quick lines if I can. We could be seeing a baseline here, and it could be bouncing off this point. And we've also got this sort of triangulation effect. I'm not going to draw a straight line here. Let me have a go at doing this. Oops, hang on. Let's go here. So we've got this kind of wedge effect potential. Now, there's a lot of bullish people on Bitcoin still, even though it's come back massively, and a lot of people have lost a lot of money during 2018 so far. But when you get this wedge here, it can either escalate up through that wedge or it can crash down through that point. So it's a very, very difficult one to call at this stage, and I wouldn't want to call it. I don't know, I'm a fan of Bitcoin, but I don't know, it's a really, really difficult one to call. Let time tell on that one. But let's go and have a look at the Siacoin though and see what else can we draw from this one. So this is the 3-month chart for Siacoin. Now, one thing that I kind of spotted on this chart, if you look at the last 15, 16 days or so, there seems to be a big similarity between 28th of June, July 22nd. Let me just grab this part of the chart. So we're just taking the last 16, 17 days. If we just drag that and put that over here, can you spot the difference? There's hardly any difference here as to what happened 28th, 29th of June through to potentially 20th of April, thereabouts. Let me just drag that below so you can see. Look at the similarity. This is what's happened. This is the linear chart, but this is what's happened. We've had this big boost that we had in mid-July. The price had come down. We'd seen a bit of a crash there, and then the price hovered around for a little bit and then came through, broke through these two highs. Then what happened after that? It came back down again. So my gut feeling at the moment with Siacoin is that this will be a very precarious territory, because the same happened here and what happened after that was the price was around about 1.2 US cents, came down to 0.4, so around about a 70% loss in value between those 2 points. Yet it would have been very easy for people to have talked this up, saying it's gone through this high, it's broken through, we're going to be going up. Now that is a possibility this time, but I would say we're probably talking a 70% chance that it will come back down again. This will be another hype, another sort of pump by those who have the whales, the big guys' money. They will be pumping it up, taking their money out, then it will collapse back down again. If this happens as happened last time, almost identical on this chart, then that's my gut feeling. We've got a 70% chance that we're going to see a substantial write-off still on the Siacoin charts, and probably therefore on the other charts as well, the other altcoin values. Hope you found that useful. Hope you found that interesting. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment. I usually reply back to most people who comment on my videos. I'm an angel investor. I'm a work from home dad. I've been doing that for 17 years now. Do check out my website, paulhardingham.com, if you'd like to know how to do similar to yourself, to myself rather, and you'd like to know and join me in a home working environment, then I've got some great opportunities for you there as well. But that's my review on Siacoin. I personally think it's going to go down from here. I could be wrong, maybe a 30% chance that it could rocket, in which case I'd reevaluate and come back in. But I think it's just a blip, a bounce, and I think we'll see it heading back down from this point onwards. Like I said, feel free to subscribe to my channel for more updates on cryptocurrencies, on finance, on money things, and just general interest. And I appreciate your comments, and thanks for watching.